Hi guys, Sarah here. I am back to share with you my finished diamond painting. This is a diamond painting that was sent to me by Staroar, and it's been a while since I've rushed through a diamond painting like this, and it was really nice. It worked out really great. Here is the little pamphlet. I did cut out, the sticker was on the packaging, but I cut it out so I could hang on to it here. It's Kitten Astronaut by Lana Shan. 57 centimeters by 45 centimeters, and it was round with AB and rhinestones. I don't know if that is focusing or not. Yeah, that should be good. So I kitted it up right away because I was pretty excited about it. I have not done a mixed kit like this with regular drills, ABs, and rhinestones, so I wanted to see how it would do, and it was awesome. I also did use the pen that she sent me with the metal tips. I had mentioned how when I first tried to use a metal tip like this, I had a hard time keeping the wax in, but she sent me this blue wax, which is like super sticky compared to the pink wax. It's actually like, you can feel it on your hands a lot more. So I thought that that would be good, and it did work out really great in this pen. So the only thing I did was I switched back to red wax when I was working on the ABs, because I didn't want the blue wax to pull the coating off of the AB drills. So here are all of the drills that I have left. I have lots left in every color. Here are the special drills, the 2 red rhinestones. You can see that I do have a good amount left in both of those. But the white ABs was just a tiny bit left. So not very much, but still, I finished and I had no issues, which was great. And then all of the other colors, there are drills left in all of them, and especially the blue that was the background. I have lots left in the blues, which is great. That was the only issue with drill quality, because everything was really good quality, except maybe the darkest blues. I kind of felt that they were slightly different sizes in there. So there was, when I was using the multi-placer, which I do when I'm doing a round painting like this and I want to get through it really fast, I use the multi-placer. And if the drills are different sizes, it's a little hard, and you can see like lines. It's hard to tell when it's finished, but let me just move this off to the side so you guys can see the super cute Kitten Astronaut. He is so adorable. He is so sparkly. Down here is where the rhinestones are in the planet. Looks super awesome. The ABs are around the planet, and then highlighting on the front of the cat and in the antennas. Now, when I looked at it finished, the only thing that I thought just wasn't right is that there is this spot of gray in here. When all of the background is blues, this is a dark blue in here. So I'm wondering if maybe I should take this blue and switch it out for this, because it makes it look like to me like something spilled out of the cat. Because the cat is all grays and browns, and then the rest of it is blues. So, but that's the only thing that I'm thinking just doesn't really make sense in there. But everything else looks super cute. He's so adorable. It worked out really great. And again, the quality of the canvas, it's soft, pliable. It laid flat. I didn't need to flatten it or anything, because basically I did this one so fast from receiving it that I didn't have time to flatten it out. But super awesome. Definitely recommend Staroar. I will have all the links down below. There is a coupon code, SarahSummer5, for 5% off your purchase. So if you guys want to check it out, she does have a lot of mixed kits, which I think is really great. Everything just flows together. I don't know. I love the way it turned out. He's so adorable. Yeah, so I hope you guys liked it too. Please leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.